Here's how to start your ExitLag free trial. Open your browser and go to exitlag.com. Click Start Free Trial. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and create a password, then click Start 3 days free. If you see a message saying the account already exists, it means that email address has been used before. Use a different email address that has not previously been registered with ExitLag. Each email address is only eligible for one free trial. Once your account is created, download the ExitLag client and install it. Log in with your new account and the 3-day trial will begin immediately from the moment you activate it. ExitLag works by routing your game traffic through optimized servers to reduce ping and packet loss. It is most effective for players connecting to game servers in distant regions. If you play on servers close to your location, the improvement may be less noticeable than for players dealing with high base ping. For the best deal after your trial, check my link in the description for an exclusive discount that gets you significantly more time than the standard pricing. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.